Fortifications were also available with moats and ditches, etc. at many of these sites, which coincide with the northern black polished ware phase, showing how urban complexes and northern black polished ware actually coincided. Okay, so we have a completely new cultural paradigm evolving in the whole area which witnessed the rise of the northern black polished ware. Now, the interesting fact of iron equipments is that although in the painted grey level we found that use of iron was initiated, but that was at a basic minimum. At the northern black polished ware, yes, we find a full-fledged development of the use of iron for commonplace everyday use, and such items like borers, nails, ring fasteners, hooks, clamps, plump bobs, socketed clamps and other things shows that they were household tools even for the purposes of building houses. Okay, so this is a very interesting thing where iron was now becoming an indispensable metal for building such units which would be used for other kinds of crafts or other things. Okay, so this actually makes for a new innovative stage in craft specialization also. For example, there was also the rise of glass for the first time on the ceramic horizon of historical period. So the cultural complex associated with this highly innovative, exclusive pottery, the manufacturing process of which is still under discussion and under research, actually leads on to the whole complex of historic period in the Indian subcontinent. It was an exclusive pottery. The researches on it shows the use of some kind of alkaline substance and the use of an alumina silicate, soda alumina silicate, to finish this object with a glossy surface and a glossy finish. Now this itself shows the height of innovation in craft manufacture that had been achieved by the people of these times. This also initiates writings as also the metallic currency for the first time. Okay, so as we know that a hallmark of an urban complex is in its writings and in its metallic currency and also in its public structures, the use of space for public use. All these things come together in the northern black polished ware phase. So historically speaking, the data that archaeology provides us to interpret the emergence of city-states, the emergence of territorial states, the emergence of monarchical states for the first time on the horizons of historic India is extremely well illustrated with archaeological evidence. All these feats illuminate upon the height of cultural and intellectual milieu which had provided the foundation stone to the history of Indian subcontinent.